fuck out of here.
There's a dad.
Oh man.
Got some hot dogs?
Oh shit.
It was a dud.
Holy fuck.
You guys videotape me fucking running away from that thing?